Question 52, sir.
Please.
Sir, the answer is laid on the table of the House.
All right. Supplementaries, please.
Sir, this question was about non-performing officers being removed. And the minister's reply says that they are reviewed and removed at the age of 50 and 55. So that is absolutely too late in anyone's career. You know, will the minister commit to changing this procedure to ensuring that maybe at the age of 40 or 45, the appropriate officers who are deemed non-performers are removed from service, and maybe the bottom 5% of non-performers of performers are removed on an annual basis so as to ensure efficiency in government?
Is well taken to ensure efficiency in administration. He has referred to the age criteria, which is one of the various other criteria also or parameters meant for this purpose. For example, we have the Fundamental Rules 56J, which provides for premature retirement. I shall not call it compulsory retirement because that falls in another category. Then we have the dismissals, we have the deemed resignations, we also have certain other penalties based on the nature of the situation. Broadly speaking, this assessment is made on the basis of two criteria: A, the performance; B, the record of service. And upon that, if there are any specific allegations, depending upon that, an inquiry is conducted and an appropriate penalty is also instituted regardless of age sometimes. So it's not necessary that this will happen only at the age of 50 or so, maybe, but having listened to what he says, this will be kept in mind.
Sir, the government talked about rotating officers
afraid,
working in sensitive and non-sensitive posts.
Question hour
What
is
is the
over.
progress on that front, sir?
Mr. Gowda, sorry. Statement by Minister correcting